Okay, guys, in case you guys are wondering, I'm taking another video because I'm going to start taking the pistons off, and this is going to be my video log. So, my video log is going to consist of pistons and some other stuff on the other side of this block. So, of course, you got the piston. It's, can't see it, number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, number 1 piston is to the back of the car. Number 6 piston is to the front of the vehicle. So it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that's how they're going to be numbered. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. And I'll probably take one more video of my motor. Working on it. 750 pounds. Alright guys, see you in a few. Talk to you later, bye.